Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can delete the pre-installed apps on your TCL Smart TV. So if you want to delete any apps or any pre-installed apps, what you can simply do is you can go to the top right corner in the settings. Then you should go to the apps right here, right below the accounts and sign in. So right here you can simply go to any app that you want to remove. So I can go to the see all applications, and right here if I want to delete Bloomberg, I can simply click on uninstall right here and OK. So now the Bloomberg app will get uninstalled from my TCL Smart TV. So this is how you delete any applications or pre-installed applications from your TCL Android TV. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.